How's it going, YouTube? Today we're going to be taking the door panels off of this Chevy Malibu. All you should need is a pick, plastic pry bar, and a size 7 socket. First, we'll go ahead and remove our covers. You're going to have one rubber one behind the grab handle. Just kind of slip it out. Then you're going to have one behind the door handle. It's kind of tricky, but just kind of stick your pick in there. Kind of make room for it. Pop it free, kind of like so. Now we're going to move one screw behind the door handle. Remove one behind the grab handle. You're going to have one down towards the bottom of the door panel. Alright, now that we have these 3 screws out, we're actually going to have 2 more underneath this window switch. This part is kind of tricky. I like to grab my pick. You might see me struggle here for a second. It's kind of hard. There's like 2 metal clips. One's on the corner and one's on the corner up here. You kind of just stick the pick in there and kind of pull up like so. There's actually one of the metal clips. And then you come to the front. And same thing. There's going to be a metal clip up top and one down towards the bottom. And then we'll just go ahead and remove our wiring. You just pull this little white tab up, push in. Simple as that. Go ahead and tuck that. Now we can go ahead and remove those 2 screws. Now that we have our screws out, we can grab our plastic pry bar. I like to start towards the bottom corner. Just get it started. Work your edges. Pop all the clips. And once we have them all popped, we should just be able to wiggle up. Kind of like so. So that's the rear door panel. Now we'll move on to the front. Now we're on the front door panel. Pretty much the same process. You're going to have the cover behind the grab handle. You're going to have the cover behind the door handle. So go ahead and get those out. Go ahead and remove our screws. Don't forget about your screw on the bottom of the door panel. Now we'll go ahead and pop up our window switch. Kind of like so. Same thing, you have one little wiring harness. Go ahead and pull that out. We will grab our 2 screws. Now that we have our 5 screws out, we can grab our plastic pry bar once again. Kind of just get it started. Work your edges. And once you have all the clips popped, you should just be able to wiggle up. And there you have it. That's how you remove the rear and front door panel on a Chevy Malibu. Thanks for watching.